Hey everybody, this is Ben from the Whole Brain Group. So I wanted to give you a couple insights as to why we like using Hotjar, how we use it, and what kind of benefits you can get out of it. So we love using it for, obviously, for helping us with website design and making sure the pages are user friendly. But we also really love using it when we're starting to look at lead generation and lead nurturing. That becomes really important so we can get the most out of our investments in terms of content, things like that. So as an example, we had one client where we had a really in-depth page that we really needed people to go ahead and take the next step and click on a different asset to go ahead and go to the next page. That's where the real conversions happen. And we used Hotjar to go ahead and look at the heat maps from both desktop and mobile to understand where were people clicking, how far were they scrolling on a page. One of the things that we found was that everybody was clicking and tapping on a specific piece of copy on the page, and it was not actually a clickable element, but it made the most sense for the users to click on that spot or tap on that spot to go to that next page that we really wanted people to go to. So we were able to just quickly make that a clickable element that took them to the next page, and that was a really quick win for us and for the client to go ahead and make those quick little adjustments that could really impact good results. The next one is when we start looking at those really detailed content offers that you spend a lot of time creating an ebook, a checklist, something like that, and really optimizing those landing pages for conversions. So we find Hotjar to be really beneficial there, so we can look at how do we structure the page and make things different on those pages, whether it's reorienting where the form might be located on the page. If we have it on the right sidebar versus on the left-hand side or below the copy, larger images, smaller images, things like that. We can really test to understand what works best because different markets, different industries, their buyers react differently to different types of content. And it can be different on mobile device versus desktop. And so the Hotjar really gives us the insights into how should we go ahead and change those pages and modify them to really optimize for generating the most conversions we possibly can.